In this video, we shall learn how to steam any of the 5 Siridhanya grains to make flavored rice that needs the grain to be fluffy and separate. I have taken half a cup of kodo millet. Now, I shall first turn on the stove and allow the pan to get heated up. Iron kadai is ideal for dry roasting. Now the pan has got heated up enough. I shall now add the kodo millet to it. The grain should constantly be stir roasted to enable all the grains to get evenly roasted. Depending on quantity of the grain, it takes anywhere between 4 to 8 minutes. Roasting the grain gives it a nice nutty aroma. Not only that, the roasted grain when soaked and steamed gives out a very nice aroma. It also enables the grain to remain separate and prevents it from getting clumped. Roasting also softens the grain further after cooking. The grain that is roasted, soaked and steamed has a unique flavor that goes well with all varieties of flavored rice, especially fried rice and biryani. Have you observed the grain is getting popped because of the heat? See how well the grain is getting popped? When the grain pops, it expands and it will be in a position to absorb more water, and this happens more so when we put the grain into a already heated kadai. And this happens even better if you use an iron kadai. As and when the kadai gets overheated, lower the flame. This is the right time to turn off the flame as the popping has slowed down. I will just show you how nicely the grain has popped. See the white ones? This is how the grain has expanded, and this is what has to be soaked. I have now transferred the roasted grain into a steel vessel. I shall now rinse the grain once and soak it for 6 hours. This is quite common for kodo to leave out dark brown or coffee color water. Now I shall drain out the water. I have taken half a cup of grain. So I will be adding just half a cup of water to it, that is in 1:1 ratio. I have taken just enough water for soaking, as the water in which the grain is soaked should be used up and not discarded. So I am soaking it in just equal quantity of water. I shall now keep it covered and leave it for soaking for 6 hours. It's been 6 hours and now I shall demonstrate the technique of steaming soaked siridhanya in order to make fluffy rice. In a large vessel, place a grid like this and pour adequate water. I have placed this grid so that the bowl in which the grain is kept does not touch the water. This is a very important step. The grain should get in contact only with the steam and not the water at the base. If the water at the base gets in contact with the grain, the lower layer of the grain gets cooked while the upper layer remains uncooked. So, this is a very important step. Now, turn on the stove, cover the vessel and allow the water to boil. The water has started to boil. Now, I have drained out the water and just took the soaked grain. I will now steam this and keep checking and stirring it with a fork at regular intervals. Mixing at regular intervals is an important step to ensure that all the grains get cooked uniformly. I shall now add some of this water and continue to steam. We need to go on adding water this way at regular intervals till we obtain desired softness of grain. The grain looks almost done. Let us just check. Still, some more water it can take. I'm adding the remaining water. In addition to what the grain has absorbed during soaking, I have added half a cup more of water during the steaming process. Now, I will also add a little ghee to it. Mix it well and steam it for another 5 minutes. Now look at this. The grain is so very well done. I will turn off the stove. If you want the grain to be softer, you may add more water and continue to steam. Have a look at the wonderful texture of the grain. This is suitable for all varieties of flavored rice. Depending on the quantity we have taken and the heat output of our stove, it takes anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes for steaming. I will allow this to sit here for 10 more minutes. In my next video, I shall demonstrate how to make vegetable fried rice using this roasted, soaked, steamed kodo rice. Thank you for watching.